Adobe Premiere Pro CC, color correction. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. Simply put, if you want to do a color correction to this video clip, it's quite easy in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. This will work for any of the versions. Simply put, follow these free directions. So let's say we want to drag a video clip of your choice, add a cut, and if you would like to basically access the color correction to this video clip, go to Window, scroll down, click on Lumetri Color. As you can see, Lumetri Color is on the top left hand of the screen or the top right. Underneath Creative, you want to click here. You can change the look of your free choice in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Or if you want, you can go to Basic Color Correction and mess around with the different settings completely for free. This is the free color correction tutorial. This is the before. And this is the after, completely for free.